Hello, today we're going to learn a different way to do start with, get to. Usually we start with 1 and we choose a number to get to. Today we're going to do the opposite. We're going to choose a number to start with and we're going to get to 1. What do we call that when you're starting with a bigger number counting down to a smaller number? Right, we're going to be counting backward. All right, so let's see. If you happen to have a number line, you might want to go get that. So if you want to pause the video, go get your number line, and then you can come back. All right, let's see what number we're going to start with. All right, we're going to start with 15. So on your number line, put your finger on 15, and let's count back to 1. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Makes you want to say blast off, doesn't it, when you count backwards? All right, let's look at our next one. All right, 12. Now put your finger on 12, and we're going to start with 12 and count back to 1. All right, here we go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, did you say blast off that time? It's very tempting, isn't it? You can say blast off if you want to at the end. All right, so we're going to start with 19 and we're going to count to 1. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's do one more. Ooh, 24. Wow, you think we can do this? All right, put your finger on 24 and let's count back to 1. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Do a few more with your partner at home if you'd like.